Hey. So guys, I just wanted to jump on here real quick and just share with you my unboxing for my Plaid products that I received. Now, many of you might be aware, some might not be aware, but we had a video on Friday of a Plaid ambassador collaboration. I will leave the link to the playlist in the description box below. If you have not yet watched the videos, go ahead and watch the playlist because we have a giveaway for a box of Plaid products. The rules are enclosed on the videos. You just need to watch each video, like, and comment the secret word that each creator will give in their video. So now for this video, I'm just sharing with you the items that I received from Plaid on that same day we had the video go live. So this first one is a Mod Podge and it says antique matte. And then this next one is also Mod Podge and it's a Mod Podge spray. And then I also received a 2-in-1 smoothing tool, 2-in-1 brush applicator set, this is lettering brush set. It has 3 tiny brushes in there. And then this one is glass painting brush set and it has 10 brushes in there. Now I have been going through my brushes like crazy and I really needed some new ones. And then this one is from the Waverly brand. This is another brush set and it has 4 brushes in there with different sizes and for different reasons. And then last but not least, these are the paints that I had got back maybe 3 weeks ago. This one, the moss, I've started using that. I've also started using the ocean and the pool. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching this short unboxing video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. And don't forget to watch the playlist of the Plaid Ambassador collaboration. And guys, stay safe until we see each other again next time.